Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we explore the latest and greatest in home appliances to help you make the best choices. Today, we're taking a look at the iRobot Roomba Plus 4-5 combo robot vacuum and mop with the AutoWash Dock, an Amazon exclusive that promises to change the way you clean your home. This bundle combines a robot vacuum, a mop, and a whole lot of convenience, all wrapped into one smart cleaning solution. If you're tired of dragging out a traditional vacuum and mop, this could be the future of your cleaning routine. The Roomba Plus 405 comes packed with features designed to make your life easier. With 70 Geiks more suction power compared to the Roomba 600 series, this vacuum offers a significant boost in cleaning performance. It's equipped with DualClean mop pads and SmartScrub technology, providing deeper scrubbing and enhanced cleaning capabilities. These mop pads spin and apply downward pressure, tackling even the toughest messes like coffee stains or grime. The included iRobot cleaning solution, when mixed with water, adds a fresh, long-lasting scent while mopping. The multi-surface rubber brush and edge sweeping brush ensure that no area is left untouched, picking up everything from crumbs to pet hair with ease. In terms of real-world application, this vacuum mop combo really shines when it comes to convenience. Whether you're dealing with pet hair on hard floors or everyday messes in the kitchen, this robot does it all. The 75-day auto-emptying feature, coupled with a 4-week mopping and pad washing system, means you don't have to constantly maintain it. The Roomba Plus 405 does the hard work for you, ensuring continuous cleanups with minimal effort on your part. The AutoWash Dock handles everything from emptying the dustbin to refreshing the mop pads, making sure it's ready for the next round of cleaning. For households that need consistent maintenance, this AutoWash system is a game changer, cutting down on frequent manual interventions. When it comes to navigation, the Roomba Plus 405 uses ClearView LiDAR technology to map your home with precision, making sure it covers every inch of your floors. This smart mapping system ensures that the robot smoothly navigates around obstacles and avoids falling down stairs. It's intelligent and it learns your space, so you won't have to worry about it getting stuck in tight corners or missing spots. As for cleaning performance, the Roomba offers several modes, including a vacuum-only, mop-only, or a combo mode that vacuums first and then mops, depending on the surface and the level of mess. Using the Roomba is incredibly straightforward with the new Roomba Home App. You can set custom cleaning routines, check the health of the filter, and get time estimates on your cleaning tasks. Whether you're at home or on the go, this app gives you full control over your robot's cleaning schedule, ensuring your home is always ready for guests. Plus, the intuitive mop pads automatically lift when they detect carpet, so you don't have to worry about dragging them across rugs or getting them wet. This makes it seamless to transition between hard floors and carpeted areas. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Roomba Plus 405. On the plus side, the combination of vacuuming and mopping in one unit is a huge time saver. The enhanced suction power and the dual mop pads allow it to tackle even tough stains, and the AutoWash Dock keeps maintenance to a minimum. The smart mapping and navigation ensure thorough cleaning and help the Roomba avoid obstacles, which is especially important for homes with a lot of furniture or tricky floor layouts. Additionally, the app is user-friendly, making it easy to control the cleaning process from anywhere. On the downside, while the Roomba Plus 405 offers great suction, it's optimized for hard floors and low-pile carpets. If you have deep carpets or thick rugs, it may not perform as well compared to other vacuums specifically designed for that purpose. Some users might also find the noise levels a bit higher than expected during high suction modes, although it's generally quieter than traditional vacuums. Also, the cost of the unit, coupled with the need to regularly replace the cleaning solution and pads, may add up over time. If you're on a tight budget, you'll want to weigh whether the convenience of this all-in-one device justifies the price. Considering its price, the Roomba Plus 405 provides solid value for money, especially for those looking for a robot vacuum and mop combination. When compared to other high-end robot vacuums and mops, like those from brands such as Shark or Dyson, the iRobot Roomba excels in its multi-surface cleaning, mopping capabilities, and smart features. While there are cheaper options, you might miss out on some of the advanced features like LiDAR navigation, auto-emptying, and the ability to handle both vacuuming and mopping tasks in one go. If you're considering alternatives, there are some solid contenders in the market. For example, the Roomba i3 Plus offers a more basic vacuuming experience, but at a lower price, and it also comes with a self-emptying dock. Another great choice is the Roborock S7, which combines powerful suction and mopping features. However, it lacks the same level of automated mop pad maintenance that the Roomba Plus 405 offers, so you'll need to do more manual work. In terms of build quality, the Roomba Plus 405 feels solid and well constructed. The materials used are sturdy, and the design feels premium. The mop pads and brush roll are easy to remove and clean though. As with any robot vacuum, hair tangling can still be an issue, especially on the brush roll. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the filters are simple to maintain. The AutoWash Dock is a fantastic feature for long-term convenience, but you'll need to monitor the mop pads and solution levels, especially if you have a large home or frequently use the mop function. Customer support from iRobot is generally well regarded, with responsive service and good warranty handling. However, it's always a good idea to check reviews and user feedback to see if any recurring issues or concerns exist. Ultimately, the Roomba Plus 405 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to combine the convenience of a robot vacuum with the added benefit of mopping. It's especially great for people with hard floors, pet owners, and those looking for a hands-off cleaning solution. It's not perfect for everyone, especially those with high-pile carpets or a tight budget, but if you're looking for a robot that can handle both vacuuming and mopping efficiently, it's a top contender. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting the Roomba Plus 405, the link is in the comments box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your own experiences with this product in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your home happy.